And I'm Heather.
And we're the VOO Girls, and we wanted to tell you today about a really special event that's happening this weekend, July 31st on Saturday.
A one-day sale of our Duet to benefit Ovarian Cancer Research Fund. So VO is partnering with them, and we're doing a one-day sale of Duet, our best-selling product.
It's the most popular product we have. It's been featured in tons of magazines. It's a great product. It's special because it's a two-in-one. It's the greatest hand cream in the world.
Yes.
Smells like almond pie.
Love it.
And it also has a lip balm here in America. So it's just been one of the most popular products. Almost everybody has tried it first. You know, when they see our products, they love it. So it's a great product to get at a discount. It's going to be $22. It's normally $39. You get a $17
discount on that. Yeah. So and we're only doing it for that one day. But what we're doing this week is we want a lot of orders to go in so that we can really raise some money for this important cause. And so we're going to take pre-orders. And that means too that we can help you on no shipping is what we're going to be offering. So all you have to do is email us, and then we will send you the our address that you can send the check to, and it'll be like with tax $23.75. You'll get that. So stock up. Great gift giving idea and everything like that. And you know, ovarian cancer is just one of those cancers that is very, you know, that we do still need a lot of research on it, because it's one of those that really isn't caught quickly because the symptoms are so subtle. So a lot of times it is not caught until advanced stages. So from the statistics that I was looking at, if, you know, like 20,000 women are diagnosed a year with that from ovarian cancer, and about 3/4 of those are going to end up dying from that.
Right. It's the hardest cancer to detect. My mother died of ovarian cancer a few years ago, and it's tough. So it's hard to detect. It's one of the toughest ones. We still need a lot of research. So Heather and I were really excited that VO got involved and that we're doing this little special. So we want to do as much as we can and make it really successul.
Yes. So we would love for you guys to help us, you know, help this cause. And you know, you're going to get a great product at a great price.
For a great price.
For a great cause.
For a great cause.
So
there you go.
Look forward to hearing from you.
Thanks.